Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Today I want to show you different gold foil effect bags. The first one is the gold foil hot stamping. Usually, only small letters or a small logo can achieve this effect. The second one is just printing the gold. The principle is very simple. It is printing gold directly on the bag, and then realized through foil. Its cost is the lowest. For more questions, please feel free to contact me. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.